Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up lead routing with Salesforce Sales Cloud, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up lead routing in Salesforce Sales Cloud, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the quick find box, type lead assignment rules. Select lead assignment rules from the drop-down menu. Click on the new button to create a new lead assignment rule. Enter a rule name and any necessary description. Decide if you want to set it as the active assignment rule. Click Save to proceed. Next, click on the rule entries related list in the newly created assignment rule. Click on New to add a new rule entry. Select the criteria that will determine how leads are assigned. You can choose fields such as geographic location or lead source to set specific conditions. Define the order in which this rule entry should be evaluated. Make sure to specify the user or queue that will receive leads matching these criteria. Click Save to finalize the rule entry. Repeat this process to add additional entries to your assignment rule as needed. After setting up the necessary entries, return to the Lead Assignment Rules page. Ensure your newly created rule is set as active if it's not already. Finally, test your lead routing by creating a test lead. Monitor the lead to verify it is assigned correctly based on the rules you set. Adjust any settings as necessary to optimize your lead routing process. Once satisfied, you can proceed to live lead routing in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.